Well, good morning yet again, my friends, and I'd like to welcome you to another video. This video is going to involve some science fiction collectibles. Today, I welcome you to another pre-order video. I've done pre-order videos for the Eagle Moss Build the Enterprise. I've done it for the Polar Lights 1/350 scale finished Enterprise, and I've done it for the Comlock and the the hand stun gun from Space 1999. Well, today I'm going to bring to you the pre-order information for Moonbase Alpha's launching pad. This thing is really amazing. It's got the lights and it's got the sounds, everything you'd expect when they launch an Eagle at Moonbase Alpha. So, my friends, let's get right into the information. So this was an exclusive through Fab Gear USA, the website. I have gotten other things from here. Matter of fact, I'm still waiting on the stun gun and the Comlock with the light and sound, as well as the model kit of the Comlock and the stun gun. But this is the Space 1999 Electronic Eagle launch pad. This has lights and sound. The SKU number is ALP-1. And right now it says availability, pre-order, due fourth quarter 2021. And some of the features that this has is highly detailed Eagle launch pad, electronic docking tube, original dialogue from the show, original sound effects from the show, and working launch pad with the lights actually work on the launch pad. And there's an Eagle One transporter included. The price for this is $229.95. And let's show you the box that it's going to come in. Tentatively, Space 1999 Eagle launch pad. And you can see the lights that are lit up, and the transport tube comes out to the Eagle, which is included. Highly detailed Eagle launch pad, electronic docking tube, original dialogue from the TV show, original sound effects from the TV show, working launch pad lights, Eagle One transporter is included, which is a good thing. Electronic Eagle launch pad, Space 1999 action figure and vehicle collection. The highly detailed Eagle replicas, worldwide limited edition, detachable working pods, and 5.5-inch long with the moon buggy, which is included. So the lights and the sound, some of the sound effects would be launch all Eagles, come in Eagle One, blast off, studio scale 5.5-inch die-cast Eagle, launch pad with lights and sound, the actual dialogue, sound effects, and music from the show. Coming fall of 2019, so that one had already come out. You can see the tube that comes out to where the buggy is, to the Eagle. And this is an exciting model. You can see it just like it would look on Moonbase Alpha. The lights around the cross, the red cross, all lit up with the sound effects. And this is going to be an exciting piece. Moonbase Alpha electronic, original Series edition. And of course, this is a limited edition, and they will sell other things that are in pre-order, the Eagles. You can get other Eagles to interact with this particular kit, but this actually comes with an Eagle. Some of the others you can buy separately, you know, the Transport Eagle, Eagle One, things of that nature, and they can interact with this model. But this is going to be really fun. I'm looking forward to this. This is going to be really exciting. And as of yet, this is June 23rd, 2021, and I have not gotten my stun gun and comm lock yet. And that's going to be another video in an upcoming video. As soon as I get it in, I'll make a video for you guys. You can see, let me show you actually the date that I had gotten mine on. I purchased mine on June 22nd of 2021. I got it from Fab Gear. I got my order number, and the shipping was $12.93. So for a total was $242.88. And my order contains Space 1999 electronic launch pad with lights and sound. This product is available for pre-order only. SKU ALP-1 $229.95, and with the shipping and tax, the grand total was $242.88. And again, this is a pre-order, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you want one, you can check it out on the Fab website, the Fab Gear USA, and I'll put the address in the link in case you want to get your own. You can go into the section of the website and you can actually see all of the items that are coming up that are related to Space 1999. A lot of exciting things coming up. I wish I could buy them all, but unfortunately I can't. But this is just a quick little video to show you guys what's coming up, and it'll be a future video, and I can't wait to show it to you. So I thank you for watching this quick little video, and I'll talk to you guys very, very soon.